I'm about to show you how to go live with the one and only ECamm Live. It's the most amazing live streaming software for Mac. Don't click off this video. Amani Channel, this is Video Fearless, where I help you build video muscle, where you can learn how to video market to attract leads, clients, build your following, or just build your authority or influence or impact with video marketing. Alright, so you know I love teaching you all the basics. So today we're talking about live streaming. Now, if you're just learning about me, I have a news background. I worked as a news reporter in a past life. I used to be really challenged to speak on camera live and record it even. I used to get super nervous. So that's from speaking to you from a sense of it's okay. If you're just getting started with your video marketing journey, if you're just getting started with video production, if you're not used to speaking on camera, just stick with me. Watch the videos, the rest of the videos in this series, and especially the ones before this, because I talk a lot about how you can get your confidence on camera to start doing what I'm doing right now. All right, so now I'm talking about ECamm Live. I talked a little bit about editing, but now this is the edit-free solution. You don't have to edit when you go live. You don't have to worry about any sort of post-production on your videos, because once you go live, it's going to be archived, whether you're live on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever, Periscope, whatever, all right? So I'm talking about ECamm Live. Now, I'm a Mac user, so I will say that if you're not a Mac user, I'm going to also do a tutorial on StreamYard, which is a PC, and it's a Mac solution as well. It's more browser-based, so it doesn't matter what kind of platform you're using. It's universal. But ECamm Live is a solution that is not universal. It is Mac only, but it is very powerful. I love ECamm Live. So I'm going to give you a quick overview right now. So to start off with, if you're on your dock, ECamm Live, this is what's the icon for? This is the icon for ECamm Live, so it'll look just like that. All right, it's already open on my desktop, so hopefully you're looking at this now. All right, so this is a screen for ECamm Live. So there's some additional screens that you will see that are part of the software. You can see here there are scenes, there are overlays, there are sound effects. There's the sound levels, and there's like an interview feature. I think there's one more screen as well, which I'm not going to get into. All right, so I'm going to keep it real basic here. So the reason why I love ECamm Live is because it can take like multiple cameras, and you can switch between them. And so to start off with, let's say you have a DSLR, you have a Canon EOS DSLR. You can plug that in via USB directly to your computer, or else if you have like a switcher, some sort of switcher, that'll work as well. I have a Canon EOS 7D, so I just have it plugged in directly in, and I can use it as a camera source. All right, so I'm just going to give you the basics on how to get started. So let's say you're doing a show and you have two cameras set up. You want to go live from your Canon EOS to your webcam. All right, just click on the camera sources here. Now this camera is my webcam, which I never use as a camera source, but is there. So all you have to do is click on these sources here, all right? So that's all you really have to do now to go live. Just make sure the right destination is chosen. So you might want to go live on Facebook, Periscope, Twitch, YouTube. We'll just keep it on Facebook right now. All right, we'll post it to, right now it's on my profile page, so that's fine. But if I wanted to post it to my business page, you can do that. Or else, let's see here. I want to post it in my group, so I often will go live in my group called the Video Confidence Accelerator. So if I want to post it there, I will post it as myself to the group, and I can do it live unscheduled. All right, you can also do a scheduled, which I'll show you in a second. Let's say I want to post as my business page. I just post it here. It's posting as a Amani Channel business page to my Video Confidence Accelerator. So now I'm posting to my group as my business page. All right, so it just really depends on how you want to post, but that's just it. And then if you want to post your business page timeline, you can do that. All right, so that's what you would select there. Like I said, I normally post as myself to my group, so I'm just leave that there. And then to go live, you just tap on this green go live. So if I want to go live right now, I would just do that. And then as soon as it shows that I'm going live is when you're live and you start talking. All right, so that's really simple to get started with ECamm. Just have your cameras set up there. You can switch between your cameras. And that's just a basic overview of what it can do to get started with. I just want to show you real basic. Now you can also share your desktop by clicking on there. All right, you can go back to your camera by clicking on there, and then you can also preload video files here. So I have let's see here. I have some videos here, quiz. I have a tutorial here. I just want to show you real quick. I have a countdown. So if you want to play a countdown or anything before your videos, you can, this will play my countdown, I think, once it loads up. All right, but I love ECamm. I've been using it for about 2 or 3 years. Just start off with, this is a really simple way you can get started with ECamm. You don't really need to know a lot. Okay, that's I think that's the wrong one. It's really this one, countdown 4. I don't really use countdowns a lot anymore anyways. Let me show you different videos. So let's I'll show you this. This is one of my spots of Fox.
We invite you to wake up with Good Day Atlanta.
The only news team with you all morning long.
There was 90 minutes of mayhem in Metro Atlanta yesterday.
Someone tried to get into the gun shop using a stolen backhoe.
They hope to get across a message of peace, not just here, but across the country.
When you're up, we're on.
All right. And then you have some scenes, which I'll get into in a future video. You have some scenes you can add, which makes it really simple to switch between camera elements. You have some overlays, which I'll get into later, and these are the overlay elements. So this is why I really love ECamm as well. So you can do things like have a lower third, all right, have some branding appear on screen. You can also have like it's a call to action. So this is for folks that want to schedule a video strategy call, I can post that. Or else if you want to share a link if you want to try ECamm, there's a free 15-day trial. It's bit.ly/try ECamm is the link. That's my affiliate link. So it won't cost you anything extra, but I'll get a small commission if you do end up using the software from my link. There's a countdown. There's a recorded. So whenever I play recorded videos, I'll use that. What's this right here that I made? All right, that's I think that's a comment that someone left. All right, and then if you want to schedule, let me show you this also. If you want to schedule a live stream, you just go to schedule live, and then you enter in your details here. You can add a thumbnail image, so that's where you can schedule your videos. But that's really a quick down and dirty overview of ECamm Live. There's some what else? Let me show you this. There's some sounds. I'm not hearing them though right now for some reason. I don't know why. When I'm on the other partition, I can hear them. But I love ECamm. If you're thinking about going live, you've seen how it works right now, so you know how it works. You know how to get started. Just have a camera source. Just start talking, and it takes cameras via USB. Oh, by the way, this particular camera is my Canon 7D. And then that is the webcam that you were seeing. All right, so that is this camera here. All right, so that's just that shows you. So this camera is a HD webcam, but it doesn't have as good of an image. It doesn't look as official as this one. I really like this, and that's one reason why I wanted to use ECamm. There's some other softwares like StreamYard that you can use as well. I don't think StreamYard has the multicam functionality, but it makes interviewing people really easy. So I'm going to show that example shortly here. But hopefully this isn't. Oh, and you want to enter a description. I'm sorry, you want to enter a description. All right. So that is basically how to get started with ECamm. Hopefully this was really helpful for you. I'll share in a future tutorial. I'll tell you more about how to use scenes, how to create your overlays, and we'll get into the other features as well. Oh, this is what I didn't show you. I didn't show you the comments. So this is where your comments come in. You can also share. There's an invite that you can share with your audience, which is here. Click on that link and you can see their name in the comments when they leave a comment. So yeah, that's it though. All right, that's a quick down and dirty overview of ECamm Live. By the way, if you found this video helpful, please thumbs up this video. It will help me tremendously if you just do take that action right now. Or even better, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because when you do that, that will keep you in the loop for all the video goodness that I have to share with you. All right, Amani Channel, talk to you soon. Peace.